Hello, Drone Racers. I'm Mark, and today on DroneRacer101, we are going to give away a whole bunch of stuff. We have several giveaways that have ended, and I've just kind of stacked them on top of one another. We're going to wrap them all up here, and we're going to kick off the new giveaways for September, right? It's September? I think it's September. But first, one of the things I forgot in last month's giveaway, like a few days ago, was to thank my new patrons for July. So we're going to do that first. Don't skip this. This is important. So first we had Richard Warwick, which Richard comments on a lot of videos. He's an awesome guy, and he's always really involved with the community. I really appreciate that, and I appreciate it even more now as a patron, so we can communicate with things that are going on there. And then we also have Snorkel FPV. I haven't checked that out yet, but Snorkel FPV. Does he do submarines? I don't know. We also had several other new patrons in August. We had Daniel Brassard, Joshua Cannon, Jeff Captain FPV Long, and Patrick SJ. I'm not sure how that works. Patrick Solholm. So if you want me to struggle pronouncing your name, go sign up on Patreon. There's a link down below, and even at the $1 level, I'll try and read your name. So then first, we had the August giveaways, and for patrons, we have an Aptus Floria. Somebody's going to get to try and put this thing together. Good luck with that. Okay, we've also got more Furious FPV stickers. Everybody that wins something is going to get one of these until I run out of them. So the winner of the Aptus Floria, we had quite a few. We had 10 or 11 people enter for this one. It is Mark Willis. Mark has won before, but it's been about a year, so it's pretty cool to see his name come up again. So I'll get his shipping information, see if that's been updated, and ship this off to Mark. The winner of this huge X21 drone to help me clear some space so I can make room for stuff is Varg. It's like Cher. He's only got one name. It's Varg. I hope this guy's legit, but let's see. What did he say? He said, what are you going to be flying it with? It says me for fun. So he did answer the question with an intelligent answer, so he's not a bot. But I'll get his shipping information, and we'll ship this off to him. And I'll say I'm thankful he's in the United States, because I did not want to have to ship this international. Next up, the reason a lot of you are probably watching this, who won the XJB 145? So this is not actually the one we're giving away. You're going to get a new one from GearBest, because they sponsored, they had one of their big promotions, so they sponsored the giveaway. They're going to ship a XJB 145 to someone. In case you didn't know, GearBest they do a ton of promotions every day. So if you're looking for a deal, I have a special page for that. They just started doing this again. I copy all of the deals they give me. I can't do them individually. I don't want to post them all to the community section. So I have one page on my spreadsheet that's just dedicated to all their deals. The ones that interest me the most I put on the front page, but then the rest of them are all available. If it's something you want, go check that out. There's a link for that down below. I've already contacted the winner of this, because as soon as I saw the name come up and I recognized the face, it was one of my patrons, and it's not one on the $10 level, but it made it really easy for me to contact him. And is it killing you to know if it's you or not? If you haven't contacted you, it's not you, because it was Frank Barajas. That's what I'm going with, Barajas. So I contacted Frank. He won this one, and I will get his shipping information over to GearBest, and they're going to ship this out to him directly for that one. But I want to thank them for doing these giveaways. Especially, I still love this size XJB 145, this size 3-inch with the larger motors, and those things rock. I recently flew a 2-inch, and it was kind of weird after flying one of these for a while. Next, we have the accidental Runcam purchase. I purchased two Runcam 3S's accidentally. So I've got one here. I just dropped a cable. I'm probably not going to ship you this one, because I'll tell you, when I opened the package for this one, there was a message on it that Customs had opened it. First time that's ever happened for me. And it was in the bag. It was just a bag like this. Oh wait, except more like this, and it was just flopping around. So I haven't tried this. I have no idea if it works. I should probably stall this giveaway until I check it. But no, I said I was going to give one away, so I'm going to give it away. Even if this doesn't work, I guess I'll get another one. That would stink though. So the winner of the Runcam 3S is Flying Phoenix FPV. He said he was interested in the SkyZone 03s. I really want to try those. I think I might like them a lot. Or the EB200Ds, which are good goggles. They're really good, and I think a lot of people in the long run are going to be very, very happy with those also. Thanks for the giveaway, Mark. Well, thanks for signing up. It was worth your while. So in September, I have an interesting one for the patrons. I'm not sure everyone's going to be interested in this one, but it might be really useful for somebody. I've actually had this for a long time. I don't think it's available anymore, which is part of the reason I'm going to give it away, but I bought this for a very specific purpose. This is an Aomway 1 watt video transmitter. It's big. It's heavy. It's not for micro quads. I was going to put this on a plane, and I've got just other things going that I don't need this anymore. I don't know why they stopped selling these, whether it was a law thing. It does 15 channels and will take a pretty wide range. It's kind of an old school video transmitter, but it's a 1 watt transmitter. And if you're planning on doing a long range wing, something like that, it would probably be a really good fit for. You also have to check your local laws. I'm not going to be responsible for you Europeans or people in the UK transmitting way too powerful. It's up to you to know what you're doing. I've got this available, so I will post a link for this on Patreon, so everybody who wants to sign up and take a chance at this one, you can go there. And if you're not signed up and you're interested in this, you can go sign up. And even if you just want to go sign up anyway, you can do that. So for everyone else on the channel, and not excluding the patrons, you can sign up for this too. Like Frank won, and even though he wasn't at the $10 level, I'm giving away an Airhogs DR1 Drone. Now, if you saw my review of this, you know I hated it. So why am I giving it away? Well, it's in a big box, and I need to get rid of it. A whole bunch of people hated that review. They said I didn't know what I was talking about. I think what it turned out to be is just with my phone, the way it worked, the latency was so bad. But a lot of people have had really good experiences with this. I was kind of surprised because I didn't like it at all. It was nearly unflyable, but with my old iPhone, but I've been told with the new ones, or especially with Androids, it's really nice and acceptable and is a great option for people getting started. If you're not going to win this, I would probably buy the E13 kit instead. I think that's a better combination for less money than this was, although this is on clearance in some places. But if you don't have that, that's probably the equivalent better option for getting started. But if this was something that you're interested in, or you want to get it and then save it for Christmas for somebody getting started, or whatever you want to do with it, I don't care. I want it out of my storage area. But if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below, and let me know if you found any really good deals, because Banggood and GearBest both have their super anniversary deals at the same time. The US 65, I've just tested that. I did a live stream on Facebook. Did you see that? No, you didn't, because nobody did. Nobody watched it. It was bad. It was something different to try. I probably won't try it again. But the drone looks awesome, and the skin looks great, and you can get other countries now, and that's besides the point. That's not what I'm giving away. I probably should. I should have bought an extra one of those. That'd be even more popular. So until next time, remember, we've now hit the point where we have people who have supported DroneRacer101 on Patreon for 12 months. And I have something special planned for those guys that isn't quite ready. But now that we've hit that point, I think I have to go get it ready.